Hello, my name is Emre Konyar and my teammate is Gizem Poyraz. Today I am going to show you our compiler design project. In this project we did our own programming language and we did switch statement in our own ways for our own programming language. So you can see two screens in here. On the left screen there is flex file, and on the right screen there is Python file. So in the flex file we defined variables and then we gave them some meaningful names for our language. For example, there is switch and we called it ihtimal in our language. There is a break, we called it kırmak. There is case, we called it durum. So these are the variables for our language. And on the right screen there is Python file. On Python file we generated tokens. Generating these tokens we can access the variables that we defined in the flex file. So after generating these tokens we defined the rules of our language. For example, in this line there is switch check, and if it's correct then it prints accepted. But what is switch check? So in switch check there must be a switch and then open parentheses, number, close parentheses, open curly bracket, body, and close curly bracket. So there is body in here. So what's body? So it is written in here. In body there must be case, num, and double dot. So these are the rules, syntax of our programming language, and it goes like this. These are the rules. So right now I'm going to show you how it works. By the way, our programming language name is MG. Python mg.y. And right now I'm compiling our language. Okay, right now it is working and I am started to writing, and so normally there is a switch, but we call it ihtimal. So ihtimal and open parentheses, number, and close parentheses, then open curly bracket. So this is the rules in switch check. Switch, open parentheses, number, close parentheses, open curly bracket. So right now I will write body part and then I must put close curly bracket. So we do it like this, open curly bracket, and now I will write cases, but in our language it is durum. This is the first durum, and we can write something like this to durum. For example, say a is equal 5 and then semicolon. So this sayı is integer, but we call it sayı in our language, and then sayı b. We can do something like this too. And then we must break it, otherwise it will continue to enter other drums too, so we must break it. For breaking it we must write kırmak and we must put semicolon in here. So this is the first drum. After breaking it, or we can write as many drum as we want, like drum to double that and break it, like drum, third drum, double that and break it. And we can write many drum as we want, and after that, for finishing it, we must put close curly brackets, enter, and it says it's accepted. But let me do another example. For example, we write ihtimal 2, 3 here, open curly brackets, and for example, drum 3, and enter. So for example, I write something like this here, and it gives us a syntax error because we must write like this or this. This isn't accepted, so it gives syntax error. So this is our project. This is our programming language. Thanks for listening.